Good morning, friends. It's Nifty's expiry today, so we'll try to take entry in Nifty, okay, at the appropriate time. So, friends, I made the entry in Nifty, okay. We'll see how much margin it took to sell off this lot, okay. It took just 34,000 rupees, friends, okay. Look, friends, it's showing us a profit of 400 rupees, okay, in just a little while after we entered the trade, okay, because the market is going in our direction, you can see. Our view is bullish, that's why we have sold P. You can see here we have sold the P, okay. Look, friends, it's showing us a profit of 700 rupees, okay. We will wait for some more time. Friends, it's 700 profit. It's fluctuating, okay. It's going down and it's coming up, okay. But we will wait for some more time, okay. Look, friends, it's showing us a profit of 1000 rupees, okay. We can book it if you want, okay. We will wait and we will see, okay, because we already got 1:2, okay. Friends, it gave us 1000 rupees of target, okay. That is 1:2 of target. We already got it, okay. We will see and we will try to book it now. Look, friends, we had a profit of 1023 rupees. Now it has become 500 rupees, okay, because the market is trying to make a bearish movement, okay, but no issues. We will wait. Look, friends, our profit turned into loss. Our profit turned into loss, okay, no problem, but we'll wait. Look, friends, our 1000 profit turned into 700 loss, okay. फ्रेंड्स देखिए हमारा 1000 रुपीज का प्रॉफिट जाके 1200 रुपीज का लॉस हो गया। देखिए आप लोग यहाँ पर जो है ना काफी बड़ा मूवमेंट आ गया, ओके। देखिए देखिए हमें अच्छी रैली मिली थी दोस्तों। हमने ये जो है ना यहाँ पर ट्रेड बनाया था, यहाँ तक रैली मिली हमें। ऑलमोस्ट 1100 का प्रॉफिट हुआ, फिर यहाँ से जो है ना ट्रेड पलट गया दोस्तों। देखिए कोई बात नहीं दोस्तों, ये चलता है ट्रेडिंग में, नो इश्यूज। आपने देखा वीडियो में कि मैंने जो है ना इन्हें प्रॉफिट बुक करने के वास्ते एग्जिट बटन पे आकर आकर भी रुक गया दोस्तों। मुझे यूं लग रहा था कि और ऊपर जाएगा, ओके। एनी हो, नो प्रॉब्लम, इट्स अ गुड एक्सपीरियंस, ओके।